ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಹರಿ ಓಂ. ಸದಾಶಿವಸಮಾರಂಭಾಂ ಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯಮಧ್ಯಮಾಂ ಅಸ್ಮದಾಚಾರ್ಯಪರ್ಯಂತಾಂ ವಂದೇ ಗುರುಪರಂಪರಾಂ. Now let's learn Sri Paramacharya Paduka Panchakam. Koti Surya Samanabham, Koti Surya Samanabham, Kanchi Nagara Chandrikam, Kanchi Nagara Chandrikam. Bhajami Satatam Bhaktya, Bhajami Satatam Bhaktya, Paramacharya Padukam, Paramacharya Padukam. Koti Surya Samanabham, Kanchi Nagara Chandrikam, Bhajami Satatam Bhaktya, Paramacharya Padukam. Koti Surya Samanabham, Kanchi Nagara Chandrikam, Bhajami Satatam Bhaktya, Paramacharya Padukam. Sakrit Smarana Matrena, Sakrit Smarana Matrena, Sarvaishwarya Pradayinim, Sarvaishwarya Pradayinim, Bhajami Satatam Bhaktya, Paramacharya Padukam. Sakrit Smarana Matrena Sarvaishwarya Pradayinim, Sakrit Smarana Matrena Sarvaishwarya Pradayinim, Bhajami Satatam Bhaktya, Paramacharya Padukam. Samsara Tapaharanim, Samsara Tapaharanim, Janma Dukkha Vinashinim, Janma Dukkha Vinashinim, Samsara Tapaharanim, Janma Dukkha Vinashinim, Bhajami Satatam Bhaktya, Paramacharya Padukam. Samsara Tapaharanim, Janma Dukkha Vinashinim, Bhajami Satatam Bhaktya, Paramacharya Padukam. Vairagya Shanti Nilayam, Vairagya Shanti Nilayam, Vidya Vinaya Vardhanim, Vidya Vinaya Vardhanim, Vairagya Shanti Nilayam, Vidya Vinaya Vardhanim, Vairagya Shanti Nilayam, Vidya Vinaya Vardhanim, Bhajami Satatam Bhaktya, Paramacharya Padukam. Kanchipura Mahakshetre, Kanchipura Mahakshetre, Karunya Amritasagarim, Karunya Amritasagarim. Kanchipura Mahakshetre, Karunya Amritasagarim, Kanchipura Mahakshetre, Karunya Amritasagarim, Bhajami Satatam Bhaktya, Paramacharya Padukam. Paduka Panchakam Stotram, Paduka Panchakam Stotram, Yaf Pathet Bhaktiman Naraha, Yaf Pathet Bhaktiman Naraha, Sarvan Kaman Avapnoti, Sarvan Kaman Avapnoti, Muchyate Sarva Kilbishat, Muchyate Sarva Kilbishat. Paduka Panchakam Stotram, Yaf Pathet Bhaktiman Naraha, Sarvan Kaman Avapnoti, Muchyate Sarva Kilbishat. Hara Hara Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara Jaya Jaya Shankara Hara Hara Shankara. Om Namo Bhagavate Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Swamine Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.